Let me give you a bit of a spin round. So this is the rocky outcrop. That's the road that I came in. This isn't Mapani here, this is mainly, I think it's some sort of acacia thorny bush or something, whatever. I'm not really up on trees. It's totally quiet and peaceful. All I can hear is a few go-away birds, some sort of thrush. There's just nothing here, nothing. Peace, tranquility. Let's just go for a wander down this area. The last time I came here and camped, this was a pond, but now it's completely dry. There were geese here, some ducks, and I was watching a kingfisher as well. So I don't know what he was finding in here actually, because it's not very deep, and it just goes over to those trees. But obviously he was finding something. So this is in the space of what? About 2-3 weeks. And it's completely dried up. I was serenaded to sleep by crickets and small reed frogs as well. But it makes you wonder, where do they go? You know, when it's dried up, where do they go? I suppose a lot of frogs will actually burrow down underneath where the surface is probably still quite damp, and then go into a state of estivation, sleep, not hibernation, and then they'll just wake up when the rains start again. Although they do predict we're not going to have much rain this year. It's going to be drought. But I like this area, it's so peaceful. And there's another view of the rocky outcrop. And the crow. Lots of these pied crows. And then you can see all these disused weaver birds' nests. So these are weaver bird nests that the male makes on the ends of these branches, and he makes them here to protect the chick from predators. Well, obviously doesn't work with snakes because they find their way in. But when you think about it, I mean, this is just an amazing thing, huh? Every nest looks exactly the same. It's the same shape, same size, same blueprint. But the male doesn't learn how to build it. He's born with the ability to build it, or the knowledge to build it. So he builds one nest, does his displaying. If a female's not interested, he pulls it to bits and builds another one. I watched one male in our garden. He built about 7 nests and then just gave up. I think I probably would as well, actually.